Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by deciding how you will close and why that path fits your situation. Once chosen, gather the essentials immediately. Pull the last 12 months of P&L, bank statements, payroll registers, and any outstanding invoices so you know cash position. Contact your accountant and lawyer to confirm legal requirements and tax timing. Make sure to note state dissolution rules and any creditor notification windows before you notify employees or customers. Once documents are in hand, prioritize people and legal obligations. Tell employees as required and arrange final payroll, tow, and benefit options so you avoid wage claims. Reach out to landlords, vendors, and major creditors to negotiate payoffs or return terms, because negotiated settlements often reduce total cost. Make sure to cancel recurring services, stop automatic billing, and formally terminate contracts in writing. You finish by filing dissolution documents with your state and notifying the IRS, including final employment and income tax returns. This legally ends ongoing tax obligations. Distribute remaining assets according to your operating agreement or articles, and document every distribution and approval to prevent later disputes. Make sure to keep all corporate and tax records for the recommended retention period. If problems arise, that archive is your first defense. If a creditor or agency objects, respond with clear documentation and consult counsel promptly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.